guys. Okay, I am here with the Mail Time Monday, and it is a few weeks late because I was busy. Work was a little bit hectic, and then last week was birthday week here. Yes, we started off with grandbaby number 3's 4th birthday. How has that gone so fast? And then, oh yeah, we've had a few days and over the weekend celebrating Taylor's 18th birthday because he turned 18 last Thursday. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, so, and at the moment in time, we are currently in the midst of a massive heat wave. And I do not want to be in this room any longer than I need to be, because I am at the back of the house and this room gets full sun practically all day long, and it is sweltering in here. We've hit 30 degrees outside, but in here it's 32 degrees. The thermostat here in the room is showing 32 degrees, so I don't want to be in here any longer than necessary. So I'm just going to quickly go through this. As I said, it is a few weeks late. I ordered some work t-shirts from Jenny over at Jennysis Crafts for my mum. Mum has joined me in the volunteering working at the cafe, and she is the washer-upper, which is awesome for me because I don't need to wash up. Yay! So yeah, so she's kind of taken on my washing up job. On the days that I work, she does my washing up. Yeah, so they are just the same as the other t-shirts that I showed you before. They've got the logo on this side, and then we've got the big logo on the back, like so. Awesome. And yeah, so I ordered those for Mum. I don't need to show you them all individually because I've shown you those before. I ordered those for Mum, and I ordered an extra one for myself, but the package is already open because I needed mine. I needed a spare one. I needed mine, so I took it out. What I didn't show you in previous orders was Jenny also did us some baseball caps. Mine's a bit mucky and he's throwing in the wash. But yeah, Jenny also did us some baseball caps. So we all have the logo on there, and each one of us has our own name on the front of it. So yeah, absolutely love it. It's awesome. As I said, mine needs throwing in the washing machine. But yeah, so I just had to throw that in. That wasn't this order, but that was a previous one from a while back. This is all Jenny's details, and I would normally read through these, but I'm not going to do because, as I said, I don't want to be in this room any longer than necessary today. However, there is a QR code there that will take you to Jenny's shop, I believe. It says, well, welcome to July. I've been busy prepping for my first in-person workshops. First up is iris folding. I will also be creating kits so that you can have a go at home too. In fact, my Patreons, £10 and up, will be receiving an exclusive iris folding kit this month. I have also set up a newsletter so I can keep anyone wishing to know about the workshops or kits in the loop. If you would like to keep in the loop yourself, then please scan this QR code. There we go, guys. So you may be able to scan that through your phone. I don't know, but yeah, otherwise just go to Jenny's website. All the relevant links and everything are below. I'm really sorry about the lighting today. That's better. Really sorry about the lighting today. I'm using natural light today and my phone doesn't like it, and I'm actually using my own phone because my filming phone, Taylor was using it and run the battery down, forgot to charge it. Anyhow, some of you are aware that I am currently doing the Macmillan Cancer Support July hula hoop challenge. So for the whole of July, I am hula hooping for at least 15 minutes a day, every day. Although at the moment I am a little bit behind. Today I'm actually 4 days, today's the 18th of July, and I am actually 4 days behind. But when I've been behind and I've needed to catch up, I've done 2 or 3 lots in one day. I do make the time and the hooping up. All the videos and everything of my progress and what I've been up to are on my fitness Instagram. account, which I will drop the link below because I've had a few people ask about it. You do not need an Instagram account to watch. You don't, unlike Facebook, my donation page is on Facebook, but you can follow what I'm doing on Instagram. You don't need an Instagram account to follow what people are doing on Instagram. You just can't comment, or I believe you can't react to posts or reels or comment, but you can still watch them and read what's going on. So you can follow my progress over there. For those of you on Facebook, if you would like to donate, I will pop the link to that below as well. But I wear my green Macmillan cancer support t-shirt that they sent when I do that. But before I knew I was getting a free t-shirt from them when I joined the challenge, because I joined in June, I ordered some wHOOPsy Bunny t-shirts from Jenny. wHOOPsy Bunny is this. I don't know if you can see because I have a brew in there. Didn't think that one through, did I? So it is a bunny rabbit that Jenny designed herself, and then I asked her if she could put a hula hoop on it with daisies around in her hair, because my Instagram for hooping is whoopsie daisy, whoopsie daisy, whoopsie daisy. Yeah, so anyway, I'll show you it on this one. I ordered 2 t-shirts. I love this one. This was done by Sublimation, which is why it's on a white t-shirt, but it shows up the best. And this is pretty much the exact replica of wHOOPsy Bunny on my cup, with the daisies around it as well. But yeah, so this is wHOOPsy Bunny. I have shown her off in previous videos last year from Jenny, when I got my wHOOPsy Daisy stuff, because I got my cup, I got a water bottle, and I got a tote bag, and other things. But yeah, so this is my wHOOPsy Bunny, well, Jenny's bunny, but my wHOOPsy Bunny, as we call her, on a t-shirt, which, like I said, I was going to wear for the challenge, and then Macmillan sent free t-shirts, so I've been using that instead. But I love this. So yeah, I have the white one, which was done through Sublimation, which is awesome, and that looks really comfy to wear. Yeah, so I have that one, and then I ordered a black one because I just love black, and this looks really cool because it's black. We couldn't do sublimation, it had to be vinyl, so we went with just the outline, and I love it. I did tell her to surprise me where the colour was concerned, because she said you can have it a few different colours, which one would you prefer? And I told her to surprise me. So great surprise, Jenny, I love it. That is awesome. She looks just as good as an outline as she does on Sublimation. So cool, and I love this. And this t-shirt is like netting. It's like gym top netting t-shirt, which is cool. Yeah, so that is pretty cool actually, because I will be going back to the gym soon. And I like hooping at the gym because when we go to the gym, they've got a big platform upstairs, and I do a lot of hooping up there. So yeah, they actually have their own hula hoops at the gym as well, which is awesome. I don't need to take my own. But yeah, so there we are, guys. So I just wanted to quickly come and show you those, and shamelessly, well, shame but not shamelessly, plug my fundraiser for Macmillan Cancer Support, and also my own fitness, my own extra fitness goals. Yeah, so anyway, there you go, guys. Let's see if I can get a picture for the thumbnail. Yep. Yeah, so there you go, guys. I just wanted to, I've just said that anyway. Yeah, I just wanted to share these with you. Beautiful. And as always, as I said before, all the relevant links and everything to Jenny will be below. Thank you, Jenny. I love you. You're a superstar. Just awesome. I love them so much. I will try and get some pictures and tag them on of me wearing them, and tag them on to the end. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you, Jenny. These are lovely. And yes, take care, stay safe, and in this heat, please, please, please stay cool and stay hydrated. I am the world's worst for not drinking enough, but today, this is actually my second, I'm going to say my first cup of coffee. It's not. This is my second cup of coffee of the day, and it's 2:05 in the afternoon. I had one when I got up this morning. I always have coffee when I get up in the morning. Not that I need it, because I drink decaf now anyway because of the heart situation last year. But yeah, so I drink decaf now, but my brain still wants that first cup of coffee of the morning. So this is my second brew of the day, and I've been living off just plain water with icing throughout the day. So I am being really good today. But please, guys, please, please, please stay hydrated, stay inside, stay cool. And yeah, and I will speak to you all again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!